Welcome to our hotel management system project, developed using Flask, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Microsoft SQL Server. Let's begin with a secure login system for administrators. Upon successful login, users are taken to the dashboard. This serves as the central hub, providing quick access to various hotel modules such as rooms, bookings, customers, employees, and room assignments. The Rooms module displays a list of all rooms available in the hotel. It includes key details like room number, type, price per night, floor, and availability status. In the Bookings section, hotel staff can view all bookings made by customers. Each booking includes the customer name, room number, check-in and check-out dates, total amount, and current booking status. To create a new booking, staff can select a registered customer, choose an available room, and specify the check-in and check-out dates. The system automatically calculates the total amount based on room price and duration of stay. The Customers module allows hotel staff to manage guest information. They can view, add, edit, or delete customer records to keep the database up to date. The Employees section lists all hotel staff along with their contact details, position, and hire date. Admins can add new employees or modify existing employee records as needed. Room assignments allow the hotel to assign specific rooms to employees for tasks like cleaning or maintenance. The system records the employee assigned and the date of assignment. The checkout process lets staff mark a booking is completed. This updates the booking status, changes the room's availability back to available, and records the payment status. All data operations are powered by Microsoft SQL Server. We use PyAdb to securely connect our Python backend to the database, enabling real-time data retrieval and manipulation across all modules. In conclusion, our hotel management system offers a complete solution for managing hotel operations efficiently. With secure authentication, streamlined room and booking management, and a powerful backend, the system improves accuracy and productivity in daily hotel tasks. Thank you for watching.